Hello everyone, welcome to LSTC. This is Bapi Sarkar. In this video, we are going to discuss about Factory Acts 1948. So friends, we will start by the history of it, why this act enacted, and what are the reasons and what are the chapters we will know at the end. So keep on watching. Before 18th century, agriculture was the primary source of income for us, or you can say for Indian people. But in mid 18th century, industrial revolution began in India by the British government. At that time, cotton textile market was on hike. For that reason, a huge amount of people began to work in textile industry at the 1/5 wages which was paid by the Britishers. Due to unemployment and demand of workmen, employers ignore the workers' problem. So let's see what are those problems. So friends, number one, you can say poor and unhygienic working condition. No holidays. No overtime. Obviously, health and safety issue was there. And lack of welfare facilities. For these reasons, workers and unions are started protesting against it, and ultimately in 1881 government passed a Factory Act to improve working conditions for children working in factories. But in 1948, after independence, first Factory Act was proposed in India, and it came into force on 1st April 1949. If you see the scope of Act, it's extend to whole of India and applicable to all factories, central or any state government. The main objective of the Indian Factory Acts 1948 are to regulate working condition in factories, to regulate health and safety, and welfare. Annual leave, enact a special provision in respect of young person, women, and children who work in the factories. The Factories Act 1949, total number of chapters is 11 chapter and total number of sections are 120 sections. So let's get into it. What are those? Chapter 1, section 1 to 7b is all about interpretation, which is known as preliminary. Chapter 2, section 8 to 10, the inspecting staff. Chapter 3, section 11 to 20 is for health. Chapter 4, section 21 to 41 is for safety. Chapter 4a, section 41a to 41h is for provision relating to hazardous processes. Chapter 5, section 42 to 50 is for welfare facilities. Chapter 6, section 51 to 66 is for working hours of adult. Chapter 7, section 67 to 77 is for employment of young person. Chapter 8, section 78 to 84 is for annual leaves with wages. Chapter 9, section 85 to 91a is for special provisions. Chapter 10, section 92 to 106a is for penalties and procedures. And the last one is section 107 to 120 is for supplemental. Where you find obligation of workers, appeals, and workers' right, and so on. So friends, this is all that we have for today. If you find this video informative, subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.